Everyone says that making mistake is not good habit. Why? What is the reason? Today I am going to share with you why makes mistake is good habit, because making mistakes, everyone says that this is not good for every learner. So in this video I just want to share with you why makes mistakes a lot. So friends, welcome again my new video, and in this video I am going to share with you about the making mistakes. Okay, and I hope you are doing great in our life and learn English happily. Friends, today I make video early in the morning, and something 5 o'clock, and you can see that my hair is strangle means ulझे हुए, because I just waken up and I came here in my roof and I started making video. Okay, so this is a not good topic, and without any further delay, let's start this topic. Why makes mistakes is important in while speaking. Friends, makes mistake is not good habit, everyone says that, but today I talk about make mistake is good habit. Why? Because mistake is not good. I know friends, I know, but making mistakes is given a lot of chance to improve your mistakes. Friends, when you make mistakes a lot, then you feel your mind is remember again, I made mistakes, here is I make mistakes a lot. So I should remove these mistakes. I should improve these mistakes. So this is a mistakes is remember you are made mistakes, so you can remove those are mistakes. So beginning days you should make a lot of mistakes while speaking, while writing, while reading, because if you not make mistakes, then I think give up. But I would say this is a not good for every learners, this is a not good for every student, because making mistake is part of life, making mistakes is part of learning process. Makes mistakes is every successful person, they makes mistakes in our previous days, in our learning days. So that is why I want to suggest you makes mistakes in your beginning days a lot, but I don't suggest only make. You should try to remove those are mistakes. Just you remove those are mistakes, then you feel happy. Yes, I remove those mistakes, and I improve something, I get something new knowledge, again. So this is a main thing. Okay, don't think about that bad thing. Okay, this is a not good habit for every learners. Okay, so in this video I just want to suggest you, don't think makes mistakes is a very bad habit. It's a not good for me. When you make mistakes, then your mind is remember again and again. You should try to remove those mistakes, then you will get something new knowledge, then you will get something new opportunity. Because friends, I want to tell you my previous days I am unable to speak English. I'm unable to think English, and I unable to speak even a single line. But I make mistakes a lot in my previous day. I would say today I make mistakes a lot. In this video I will make mistakes a lot, but I just try to. Friends, English speaking, it's all depend only and only practice. Your English practice is good, then you will speak definitely good. Main thing is depend only and only practice. Whatever your goals not matter, consistency is matter. Friends, they people say that I want to speak English fluently means flow. When you be consistent is remain this fluency. So don't feel shy while speaking, and don't feel afraid I make mistakes. No, this is a not good habit for every learners, for every student. If you want to achieve that, if you want to improve that your English, so you should practice again and again. You should improve your those are mistakes again and again, and you should try to learn something different today. You should learn, try to something different today, because yesterday you learned something, another topic, and today you have to learn a new topic. You should take any new topic, you should take any new conversation. So that is why I want to suggest you, don't think I make mistakes, so the English is not good for me, English is not good for me. This is a not, this is a not, because I from village side, I am a villager woman. But if I think English is not for me, because I from Hindi medium background, and in village side they all people say that only our mother tongue, and no one say and no one understand English language. So I think English is not for me. I only use my mother tongue. But if I think these things, so today I think I don't say English, I don't speak English, because main thing is matter your practice. If your practice is going to based, then you will get definitely what you want. You will achieve definitely what you want. Okay, so try to give your 100% as much as you can, as much as you can. Try to do a lot of things today, and try to learn something new, and new phrases, words, vocab today. And while and I would say main is speak English today, and don't think about that I make mistakes while speaking. I don't say make mistakes, it's a very good habit. But I would say when you make mistakes, then your mind is remember, you should remove this, you should remove this. So that is why I want to share you, making mistake, it's not good habit, it's a part of learning. And practice again and again as much as you can. Whatever you do, whatever you do, but try to speak in your mouth, not only your mind. you know Making mistakes when you speak, you know because when you speak, your pronunciation is mistakes, your word mistakes, a lot of things you have to mistakes. But when you speak in your mind, then your pronunciation is not mistakes, because you not speak, word is not pronounced. So speak in your mouth today onwards, start your English journey today onwards. Okay. And some people, they say that I have no time, what should I do? So I want to say you first of all I want to say you, every successful person, they have same time. Every successful person, they have same times, 24 hours, each and every day. But why they improve our English, why they improved our English, and why they become a successful person? Because they use our time properly, because they use our time uh, properly and right way. That is why they achieved our fluency, they achieved our goal. So, and I would say, if you see that any people successful person, then you know you think a lot, they without makes mistakes become a successful. I think this is not, in my opinion, this is not. Why? Because every one person, they mixed mistakes a lot in our learning days, in our beginning days, because they don't know proper knowledge. No everyone born with knowledge, a lot of knowledge. Okay. Even every child born without speaking only start crying and crying again and again, they started learning complete 1 year, 2 year. When child is start speaking, and how child start speaking, how child start speaking while imitation, you know, while imitation. Child only listen and words start imitate words again and again. Child speak words a lot of makes mistakes. While speaking, child makes mistakes a lot. Then child become fluent in our mother tongue, in any language. Okay, so English is same process. English it's same process. So don't think too much. Don't think too much. English is not good for me. No, English. Uh, English is a language, and everyone speak English. It's all about a practice. Okay, friends. So in this video, I'm just told you makes mistakes a lot while speaking, while practice. Okay, when you makes mistakes, then your mind is remember again. Okay, so makes mistakes in your beginning days, allow. Okay, and start learning today onwards. Start doing something new today. Okay, and don't depend tomorrow. I will start speaking tomorrow, I will take action tomorrow. No, it is nothing. Not tomorrow, it's nothing come, because today it's present, and future I don't know. What will happen future, I don't know. So I would say, start whatever your dream, start learning today onwards. So friends, today I just shared with you some lines, and I just try to motivate you. And don't think give up while making mistakes. Okay, so we'll meet till the next video. Have a nice day, and bye bye.